Hi, my name is Daniel, and this is my project for my English in Business Written Communication. Today I'm going to talk about instant noodles. This instant noodles is Indonesian pioneer of instant noodles in Indonesia. Yes, in Indonesia. And then this instant noodle was currently launched in 1969 with the flavor of chicken broth flavor, and then in 1970 it launched the second flavor, which is the chicken curry. But the peak was in 1983, where it launched the instant noodle goreng flavor. So today I'm going to talk to you about how we make this instant noodle. First of all, we're gonna unwrap or unboxing these instant noodles. We got the packet of noodles, as you can see here, and then the chili sauce with the soy sauce and the garlic oil, I guess. We got our seasoning for our instant noodles goreng flavor, and then we got that fried onion. Let's cook this. So first of all, we're gonna boil our water, as you can hear. This is the water that already boiled, and then we're gonna put the ramen or noodles in here to the boiling water. And every single piece is cooked. Yeah, it is cooked. Meanwhile, we're gonna cut the seasoning to our plate. So this is pro tip where you can see this garlic here. You must do it first, so the garlic will mix. Cut it, pour it to the plate. Then we're gonna open our seasoning. Voila. And we're gonna continue to cook our noodles, which is already boiling, and so we're gonna flip this. No need. We're gonna cook this all the way through, because some people want to halfway cook it and some people want to cook it through. Pro tip, if you want better flavor for your instant noodle, put eggs. And then we wait for our noodles to cook. It's already cooked, and then we drain it through the strainer. Make sure to not let any water left in your noodles. Then we pour it to our seasoning mixture, and then we wash our stuff. So we're gonna review it. This is our instant noodles goreng flavor. To eat it, we're gonna mix it first. So once it's mixed with the seasoning of the instant noodles, we're gonna try it. It's so good. We can taste the tanginess from the soy sauce. We got that spicy from the chili sauce, and then we got that instant noodles goreng flavor from the noodles, and we get the eggs. So I recommend this for all people that watch this video. You can cook it my style, or you can keep your own style. It will be good. I promise you. This is very good. Okay guys, until next time, we'll cook another instant noodles. Stay classy.